Hi guys, so in today's video we will be learning how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So firstly you want to make the white layer like this. Insert the last one in there, or you can do like this. You see this corner, insert it here, and these both are not matching, so take that out and find the matching one, align it, then do this. We have this here, do this, and we have this here, do this. And then in the last video we learned how to solve the 3x3, so it is the same. We just need to perform the anti-zoom in and the zoom ins, and then you should get the one and only the T-perm case, and that's how you solve the 2x2.